Good evening, this is Dave Hefner from the National Weather Service here in El Paso. We'll be giving a weather briefing this late Wednesday evening for tomorrow, Thursday, April 19th. Some potential impacts from these strong thunderstorms that we are expecting are strong and damaging winds, large hail, and to a lesser degree, local flooding. Here's the forecast from our Storm Prediction Center. As you can see by the diagram, they are forecasting marginal thunderstorm risk over much of the area. That is denoted with the dark green shading. We have limited it even a little further with the red oval, and that's basically centered along the Rio Grande Valley. Why is this happening? Well, it's an interesting situation developing. We have a strong increasing moisture surge out of the south-southeast. That's already begun down by the Big Bend area and will continue through much of Thursday and Thursday evening with that moisture reaching our area in the afternoon. To the west of this is an air mass much drier, and the boundary in between these two air masses is what we call the dry line. Thunderstorms will typically form along this dry line and to the east. We're expecting the main thunderstorm threat for Thursday to begin around 3 p.m. and last until midnight. This is for the area as a whole. For any specific location, your threat window would be much shorter. These thunderstorms could produce gusty winds of 55 to 65 miles an hour, hail of 1 inch or greater, and heavy rainfall up to 1 inch, which could cause local flooding. We are expecting the storms to move fairly rapidly though, so this flood potential is limited. What are some of the uncertainties? The main uncertainty is how far west will the moisture go? Right now we're expecting it to go about as far west as Deming or maybe the Continental Divide. However, that moisture could surge further west all the way to the Arizona border or be limited and remain further east near the Rio Grande Valley. Another uncertainty, timing. Will it start in the mid-afternoon or hold off till early evening? And a final uncertainty, what percentage of these storms will become severe? Right now, we don't think the percentage will be that high. Currently, there are no warnings or watches in effect. However, on Thursday, there is a possibility that we will need to issue severe thunderstorm warnings and maybe even a flood advisory or a flash flood warning. In summary, scattered thunderstorms are expected Thursday afternoon and evening, mainly from the Rio Grande Valley east. Accompanying these thunderstorms could be damaging winds and large hail. This could cause property damage and injuries, and also create hazardous driving conditions due to wet roads and strong winds. Thunderstorms tend to develop and end quickly. Please stay tuned to our office for the latest info. You can get this info from the following. Thank you for your time.